Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options. So we've got 3-key navigation, which we've got currently played, and the gestures. Before we will set the gestures, let's enter the settings, because I just wanted to show you that if you'd like to stay with this mode, you can customize it here. You can reorder the buttons up to your personal preferences. So in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on it, and as you can see we can learn how to use them. So we can go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it because I already know how to use the gestures. What is more, I'll show you. So let me simply get back, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we do not have anything. Of course we can enter the settings here and okay, here we've got the option to slide across bottom to switch apps, and this is the only option we can customize. No, go back. No, I've accidentally entered the tutorial. Alright, so if you want to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and as you can see you have to do it fast, because instead if you will hold it longer, you will have this additional tab opened. It doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side, it works the same. So just swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you want to get back to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and do it fastly. It should be a short, quick motion, just like that. And if you want to enter the recents, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger in the center. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the resets. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.